Hello friends, welcome to the video. Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited has given an advertisement for requirement of experienced employees from Metro Rail or Railway PSUs on contract or deputation basis for the period of 5 years. This particular requirement is for their Nagpur Metro Rail project and strictly for the experienced people. The last date for application is 16th March 2021. You can find their official notification at their website www.mahametro.org. Now let's see about the vacancies in detail. There are vacancies for manager, assistant manager and account assistant post. So the first vacancy is for manager in telecom and AFC department with one post. The qualification requirement for this particular vacancy is B or BTech in electronics or electronics telecommunication engineering with minimum 4 years of total experience. The upper age limit for this post is 40 years and the pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000 rupees. In fact, for all the managerial posts, the upper age limit will be 40 years and pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000 rupees. Then another vacancy is for manager in signal department. There is one vacancy for this post. The qualification requirement for this post is B or BTech in electronics or electronics and telecommunication discipline with minimum 4 years of total experience. Next vacancy is for manager in IT department. There is one vacancy for this post and the qualification requirement is B or BTech in electronics or electronics and telecommunication or computer science or information technology discipline with minimum 4 years total experience. Then the next vacancy is for assistant manager post in system analyst, IT or telecom department. There is one vacancy for this post and the qualification requirement is B or BTech in electronics or electronics and telecommunication or computer science or information technology discipline with minimum 4 years of total experience. The upper age limit for this post is 35 years and the pay scale will be at 50,000 to 1,60,000 rupees. Another requirement is for assistant manager in signal department with one post. The qualification requirement for this particular post is B or BTech in electronics or electronics and telecommunication discipline with 4 years experience. The next vacancy is for assistant manager in rolling stock department with one post. The qualification requirement is B or BTech in electrical engineering with minimum 4 years of total supervisory experience in field of electrical or rolling stock department in metro rail or railway PSUs or metro related infrastructure industries. The next vacancy is for assistant manager post in OHA department. There is one vacancy for this post. The qualification requirement is B or BTech in electrical discipline with minimum 4 years supervisory experience in field of electrical or traction department. The next vacancy is for assistant manager in power supply department. There is one vacancy for this post and the qualification requirement is full-time B or BTech in electrical engineering with minimum 4 years supervisory experience. The last vacancy is for accountant assistant. There are two vacancies for this post and the qualification requirement is BCom degree with 1 year's working experience. So age limit for this particular post is 32 years and pay scale will be 25,000 to 80,000 rupees. The selection process for all this post consists of the personal interview and the medical examination of the candidate. Unreserved category candidate, OBC candidate and economically weaker section candidate will have to pay 400 rupees as an application fee. There is no application fee for SC, ST and women candidates. The fee can be paid in the form of demand draft in favor of Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, payable at Nagpur or through online payment in Maha Metro's SBI account number 3704438639 or through UPI app BIM SBI Pay. Then how can you apply for this particular application? Eligible candidates may apply in prescribed application format. The completed filled-in application form should reach to General Manager, HR Department, Metro Bhavan, Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, VIP Road, near Diksha Bhumi, Ramdaspet, Nagpur, and it should reach by 16th March 2021. While sending your application, you have to write your name, date of birth, post name for which you are applying, and post code on reverse side of DD, or you have to attach the proof of online payment or the receipt of UPI app BIM SBI payment while sending your application. The application format for this particular post or for this particular advertisement, you can download it from their official website mahametro.org by going into their career section. Thank you so much.